The increasing number of Tesla vehicles on the road presents workshops with new challenges, as Tesla takes a different approach to diagnostics and service work than conventional vehicle manufacturers. To meet these challenges, tronic now offers a new vehicle diagnosis for Tesla. As usual, the Tesla vehicle is connected to a KTS 560 or 590 diagnosis module via the OBD interface. For vehicles up to model year 2023, a Tesla adapter from Bosch must also be connected. Depending on the Tesla model, another adapter cable from the Tesla cable kit is then connected to the vehicle. The Tesla vehicle is now ready for the next steps in the tronic. After successfully logging in, a car can be selected and the vehicle identification number can be read out automatically. To do this, Tesla Motors must be selected for the brand. It is now possible to access the Tesla-specific diagnostics on the start screen. The Service Mode Plus is automatically activated in the vehicle. In order to be authorized to work on electric vehicles, the employee must have undergone general training on high-voltage systems. Various diagnostic steps can be completed using the different tabs. Errors can be diagnosed and information on troubleshooting can be called up under the vehicle status. Error messages marked in red should be investigated and resolved immediately by the employee. Errors marked in yellow and blue, on the other hand, are additional information. These should be evaluated by the mechanic himself. Tasks such as learning processes, self-tests, or calibrations can be found under Functions. To access the guided processes for maintenance work, such as changing brake pads, the mechatronics engineer can switch to the service tasks. The actual values of the vehicle can be found in the last tab. For assistance with repairs, you can access repair instructions, DIY guides, wiring diagrams, and many other Tesla documents in original documents. The original documents can be accessed, stored, and printed via Service Manual. With the integration of Tesla vehicle diagnostics into the tronic, workshops now have a diagnostic tool to offer their Tesla customers the best possible service.